How are you, my loving children? Till now, we studied factorization method, use of quadratic formula, and computing a square method, and values of B and C along with a relation between A and C in different situations in quadratic equations. Okay, so first we have to discuss now the problems based on finding the values of a constant for which a given equation has equal roots or real roots. Okay. Secondly, we have to discuss the solution of worst problems reducible to quadratic equations. So, first of all, let us know the working rule of first type. Equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers, has equal roots if d is equal to 0. That is ba square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here I have written a spelling I double f. It means if and only if. Now the first I have taken an example, and this question is from NCERT. Question number 1. Find the value of k so that the equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0 has the real equal root. Now write down the equations 2x square plus kx plus 3 and compare with x square plus bx plus c. What you find? A is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. Now find out the value of d, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, and if we put b a c, okay, then what you find? The value of d is k square minus 24. For equal roots, d should be 0. So k square minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore k is equal to plus minus root over 24, that is plus minus 2 root over 6. Next one. Question number 2. It is also from NCERT and it has been set also in 2012 CBSE exam. For what values of k, the equation kx minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0 has two real equal roots. Okay. Now, first of all, make it the general form, and what you find? Its value is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. On comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, what you find? A is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, c is equal to 6. Find out the value of d, means b square minus 4ac. Okay, its value is minus 2k whole square plus minus 4k into 6. That is, its value is 4k square plus 24k. For equal roots, d must be 0. That is 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. If you solve, what you find? Either 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. That is, either k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. Now next question. This question has been said twice in 2000 and 2013. Question number 3. For what values of k, the quadratic equation k plus 4 into x square plus k plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, first of all, write down these equations and then compare with x square plus bx plus c. What you find? A is equal to k plus 4, b is equal to k plus 1 and c is equal to 1. Find out the value of discriminant d, b square minus 4ac. Okay, on putting the value of b and c, okay, you can do. Its value is k square minus 2k minus 15. Now you know for roots to equal, d must be 0. So k square minus 2k minus 15 is equal to 0. Now just solve it like a quadratic equation. I have solved with the help of factorization method. The value is what? k is equal to 5 and k is equal to minus 3. You can do. In second type, solution of worst problem, reducible to a quadratic equations. First, let us know the rule. Read the questions carefully and let the unknown quantity be x and y. It is up to you. Second point, using given conditions from the quadratic equation, write it in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is the standard form of a quadratic equations. Third point, now solve the quadratic equations thus obtained by factorization method or by quadratic formula or any one of the method what you like. Fourth point, verify that the values of the variable quantity x or y which is involved thus obtained satisfy the given conditions. I have taken some questions. This question number 1 on page number 4 has been selected twice, CBSE 2000 and 2005. The sum of two numbers is 15 and sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 10. Find the numbers. Let the number be x and y. So according to questions, x plus y is equal to 15. It means y is equal to 15 minus x. According to the second condition, sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 10. Mean 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 3 by 10. Now put the value of y in terms of x. Means 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. And now it simplify and take it in the quadratic form. So finally I have made in quadratic form, and its form is x square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. Now solve it with any of the methods. Okay, here I have nothing to say. Now come to page number 5. This question is very important. The difference of the square of two number is 180 and the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the numbers. When such type of question comes in the examinations, you should be more careful. Let x and y be two required numbers such that x is greater than y. Given x square minus y square means difference of the square of two number is 180. That's why I have written x square minus y square is equal to 180. And also given that a square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. That's why I have written y square is equal to 8x. Now, okay, now in equation 1 put the value of y square. So it becomes x square minus 8x is equal to 180. That is x square minus 8x minus 100, it is equal to 0. Now solve the equations, okay, at your own, because you know all the formulas. Here now come to the point. What I have shown that here the value of x is equal to 18 and x is equal to minus 10. We get two values. If x is equal to 18, then the value of y square is equal to 8 into 18, that is 144. And if we take x is equal to minus 10, y square is equal to what? Minus 80, which is not acceptable because a square of any real number is not negative. That's why this will not be acceptable. Hence, the numbers are 18 and 12 or 18 and minus 12. Question number 3, last question of page number 5. A two-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 35, and when 18 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. Okay. Very simple. Let the digits at 10th place and in place be x and y. Therefore, the original number is 10x plus y. Okay. And their product according to the question is x y is equal to 25. Okay. According to the condition given, 10x plus y plus 18 is equal to 10y plus x. And on solving, what you find? x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now put the value of y here, because given is that xy is equal to 35. It means y is equal to 35 by x. So at this stage put the value of y. And then you are having x minus 35 by x is equal to minus 2. And then solve. Means try to make it in the form of quadratic equations. The required quadratic equation is x square plus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. And now if you solve the quadratic equations with any one of the method you know. Okay. Though I solve it with the help of middle term splitting methods. Okay. The value of x is equal to minus 7 and x is equal to 5. But here x cannot be minus 7 because it is negative. Why? And in what? Any digit cannot be negative. Digit ranges from 0 to 9. Hence x is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 35 by x 7. Therefore original number is 10x plus y. And if you put the value of x and y, then its value is 57. And the last question related to fraction. Working rule, let the numerator or denominator be x. Let the numerator or denominator be x. It is of the situations. Using the conditions form a quadratic equations of the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, and then solve. I have taken my questions. See, the numerator of a fraction is 1 less than its denominator. If 3 is added to each of the numerator and denominator, the fraction is increased by 3 by 2. Find the numbers. Listen, let the denominator of the fraction be x. Okay. Then according to questions, numerator will be x minus 1. Okay. Now, according to the question, x minus 1 plus 3 whole divided by x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 28 plus x minus 1 by x. Now solve it. And first of all, try to make it in the form of quadratic equations. The quadratic equation is 3x square plus 9x minus 84 is equal to 0. It is the second important point. Now you solve this quadratic equation with any one of the method what you know. Here I have solved the quadratic equation with the help of factorizations. Now the value is x is equal to minus 7 and x is equal to 4. Listen here, I have written in left part. When x is equal to 4, the fraction is 3 by 4. When x is equal to minus 7, the value is 8 by 7, which is not possible. Okay? Therefore, fraction is 3 by 4.